Have you ever wanted to learn how to make dynamic game worlds? Worlds with lifelike characters, creatures, animals, and enemies? Are you an artist or designer who really wants to learn how to program, but right now typing code doesn't feel like a good fit? My name is Jim. I'm the original Bolt visual scripting tutorial YouTuber, and I've teamed up with Dr. Penny DeBale to bring you Learn Game Artificial Intelligence in Unity Visual Scripting. We'll start with 2 game environments, a city and sci-fi action prototype, and we'll add player controls, crowds of NPCs, animals, ghosts, robots, and gun turrets. We'll also create a day-night cycle and an in-game clock with a simple system for the environment to respond to the changing state of the world. In the process, you'll learn how to master scripting events, movement, rotations, timing, and together we'll create friendly and enemy behaviors. If you've always dreamed of bringing characters to life in your games, enroll now and learn game artificial intelligence in Unity Visual Scripting.